Hey, what's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. Yeah, we did it. Okay. So check this out. Whoa, what's this? Christmas present right here. Yeah, so this is the Deep Purifying Green O2 Bubble Mask by PUREDERM Skin Solutions. Okay, so yeah, it's been a long time since we did a skincare video, so I think it's overdue. Yeah, I think it's time. Yeah, bear with me. All right, let's see how many we get here. Oh, 5. Wow. All right. Yeah. So of course, gonna be doing one every week now. So yeah, let's get started. You remember how we do this? Shaved this morning. So yeah, let's go ahead and wash it now. Well, we got ourselves the warm bucket of water here and acne control cleanser, of course, morning and night. So yeah, and our towel. Okay, let's get started. Put this down. Put our hair back. Ooh, nice and warm. Yeah. Squirt this on. That should be good. And get that wet. And here we go. Let's scrub. Ooh, stings. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, the neck. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There it is. There it is. Forehead. A lot of acne right here. I don't know why. Right there, a big one. Oh, geez. Scrub the nose. Very important. Yeah. Let's get this off. Warm water. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Oh. Ah, towel, pat dry, pat dry. Oh. Not in the eyes, not in the eyes. Okay, all right. Whew. Nice and clean. Yeah. Put this down. So yeah, that was the CVS. Highly recommend this. Good stuff right here. Next, it's face mask time. Okay, got the hair back. So apparently we're supposed to press it around to activate the bubblings. Yeah, this isn't just your normal face mask. This is a bubble face mask. Okay, that should be good. Let's go ahead and open it now. There. Ooh, yeah, yeah, the bubbles. The bubble, green bubbles. Oh, yeah. All right, where's the face mask at? Jeez, look at all that green. Oh, there it is. Jeez. Can I make tea out of this? I mean, is this matcha? Ooh, it's dripping. Okay, okay. Oh God, complicated. How to open this? Bring down the nose. There we go. Okay. Applying. Ooh. Ooh, nice and cold. That wakes you up in the morning. Hello. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, so green tea is supposed to help with acne, redness. Oh. Yeah, oh, that stings. That stings. Are you sure it's supposed to help with redness? My goodness. So yeah, the shaving, get rid of all that hair so it really seeks through the skin. All right. Let's use whatever's left in here, squirt it out, and put it on the neck. Ooh, bubbles. Okay, okay, there we go. Wow. Perfect. Oh, got the bucket here. Let's just wash our hands. Okay. Okay. Towel. Nice. So yeah, hopefully that will help the redness from the irritation of shaving, right? And get rid of all that acne. Controls the oils of your skin. But there we go. So how long? 15 minutes, okay. Oh, and then we gotta wash our face again after that. Wow. Alright. And of course this is from Korea. Yeah, you know how much they love skincare over there. That's where it's at. So anyways, 15 minutes, we'll be back. And whoa, I hear the bubbles popping right now. Popping away. Jeez. Alright, stay tuned. 15. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and look how much this face mask blew up. I mean, this is all bubbles right here. Wow, look at that. Check it out. And the whole time while waiting, you could just hear it just popping and just moving around. It's as if it's alive or something. Jeez. But alright, anyways, so let's go ahead and take this off, remove it. Here we go. Okay. Hopefully it did its job. Nice soft skin, no acne. Whoa, there we go. Look at that. That is a bubble mask right there, huh? Jeez. Do I scrub myself with this now? Might as well, right? There we go. Don't get in the eyes. Don't get in the eyes. Yeah. Alright, all scrubbed. That should be good. High five. So now, yeah, I see why it says you gotta wash this off now. Normally we'd be done, that'd be it. But no, but this one, more washing, alright. Here we go, not in the eye, please. Fresh. Oh. Wow, a lot of washing. My face should be perfect right now, right? Super clean. Okay. Ooh, nice and soft. Wow, okay, that's the way to go, huh? Yeah. No irritations, right? Oh, is my skin all red now? Oh, what is going on here? All right, fix the hair. Come on, you know how important that is. Yep. There we go. So how does that look, huh? Yeah. I mean, that'll go away with the time of during today, but other than that, yeah. Looks good. Okay. Put the glasses back on. Now I can really see. Wow. Yeah, 2026. Let's not have any more acne, okay? Let's have perfect skin. 2026. Let's get it. Yeah? Come on now. All right. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was one of my Christmas presents I got, and I was like, you know what? It's been such a long time since we've done a skincare video. Let's go ahead and do it. So still got 4 more. So next week, another one. Yep, continuation. There we go. I would say where I got this, but you know, I don't know. It was a gift, so who knows? All right, we'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe all the way. And oh, is that PayPal right there? That sure is. Oh, hi PayPal. And Venmo, didn't forget about you. Yep. Description down below if you want to support NateVlog and the legendary reviews, South Bay, all the way. All right, we'll see you 2026. Hello. Adios. Ooh, you want that on your face, huh? A little green tea action, huh? You know, the green tea's where it's at. Super healthy. Bye-bye. Adios.